Keyword research or keyword discovery is all about finding good niche topics, collecting the matrix which says that how many people actually search for that particular keyword, and how is the competition high, low, or medium. How many people are trying to rank that particular keyword, that would actually give us the competition idea. Then we'll be prioritizing those keywords based on our matrix, and then we'll be targeting them on our website to make our website get good traffic and get a good ranking on Google. So let's start. Here we are taking a use case, since we'll have to actually take a use case to understand how keyword research procedure takes place. So here I'm taking a hearing aid clinic which is in Mumbai to understand the procedure better. So we are taking a use case out here. So I have created a template, and that's how we'll start. So first you need to talk about the website, so you can actually put the link, what website it is. Now you need to talk about the business, so that when we are creating a sheet, we should know that what exactly we are trying to do and what is the business, so we can actually see and write. You can also ask your client about the business, or also you can visit their website to check what exactly they are. So we can check what they are, what they are doing. So when you read it, you can write it, and since I know about it, so I'm just writing out here that it's a hearing aid clinic in Mumbai with say, I think they have 4 centers and 1 in Goa. What are their USPs? So we can actually write that what they are good at. So you can also check on their website that what are USP. Most of the websites have their USP on hand, like what they have. So then you can see out here that what they have, that they have hearing aids at reputed company at affordable rates. They have good quality service. They have good experienced doctors. They are in business since long. How many patients they have treated. So all these are USPs. So we can talk about USPs. So I'm writing quality service for hearing impaired people of all age groups. 40,000 patients already treated. So I'm just writing here 40,000 plus patients. Highly experienced team. Highly experienced team. And how, since when they are into business, so you can quite a lot put the USPs here. Now next would be creating a buyer persona, which would be our step 1. We need to know that who will be our customers, who they are, what are the demographics, what is the age, what is the gender, what is the location. Now here we know that hearing aid is in Mumbai, so we should also know that where a customer is from. So of course when somebody has to visit, somebody from Mumbai would be the first one to visit. So let's put this thing. So business type is B2C. If it's B2B, you can also write B2B. B2C is business to customer, B2B is business to business. For example, Amazon is again B2C and B2B also. People are doing B2B trade. Retailers, wholesalers, so that's how you can segregate. For here we have, since it's for customers, so we are writing it B2C. What would be the age of our customers? So there are two things, customers and consumers. Here we are talking about customers. Consumers, say for example, if there is a small child of age group 1 who has this hearing problem, so that is our not customer, that would be our consumer, but customer would be his or her parents. So let's try to put the age group, major age group of our target audience. So I think it would be somewhere around people of age 23 and above. So I'm writing 23 plus. It could be, I'm just for hint writing here 23 to 55 maybe. Gender, it could be male or female. Anybody can come and get the thing done. Mumbai and Goa. We'll do just research for Mumbai as of now to keep it simple and straight. But since they have services in Mumbai, Goa, I am writing them both. So interest, who would be the people who would actually avail their service? Who are those people? So here when we are talking about hearing aid, we are also talking about health, we are also talking about lifestyle. So maybe we can put interest out here, people who have interest in a healthy lifestyle. Sorry. People who have interest in family. So people who are actually take care about their family, maybe if they have some problem, could be the first one to actually come and get their parents treated or their kid treated. So people who have interest in healthy lifestyle, people who have interest in family, people who have interest in fitness could be the one, people who have interest in gadgets could be the one. But here of course we are talking about hearing aid gadgets, but people who would have idea of gadgets could be the one who could actually and exactly use these gadgets as well. So what are the problem and challenges these our target audience would have been facing? So maybe or it could be finding a proper hearing aid, could be finding good consultant, finding the right doctor, or I would say audiologist in this case. And what all problems they have, they don't have time to diagnose or something, whatever could be the problem and challenges. I've just written out two here, we'll have to actually think and properly write it. What would be the income level? So people who can afford such good hearing aids, so we need to at least identify what would be their yearly income. Here I'm writing 10 lakhs and above. Who can actually afford a hearing aid of 50,000 or a lakh or 5 lakh, of course. So 10 lakhs and above. What would be the industry these people would be working in? So it could be anything. So anybody can have this problem. So we can write FMCG, hospitality. It could be IT. So any such industry would do. What would be the job profile of these people? Maybe these people who would be our customers could be CEOs, CMOs, people could be in government service. So we can write such things. So that's how people who are teachers, anybody we think we is the target audience and job profile matches, we can write out here. So here we have created a kind of buyer persona, we have created a demographic, so we know what exactly our audience is. Now the step 2 is mind mapping. We actually need to do a mind mapping, which is we need to think as our buyer persona, that what our buyer or customer would be searching about. So when I talk here, our customers here would be mainly young parents who have their kids of age 0 to 3 4 5 maybe, or small child we talk about, and old age, even parents who have old age parents, so they can take care about. So we need to actually know that when hearing aid is needed, when does it even happen? Maybe a small child cannot listen, or maybe people are coming at age after 40 45 or 50 are not able to listen and they need hearing aids. So we have taken two as of now here, two mind mapping, young parents. So now when we think about young parents, what would they be searching when they are searching for a hearing aid? So I'm writing a few keywords here. Hearing aid clinic in Mumbai. So I'm writing hearing aid clinic. They must be searching for hearing aid clinic in Mumbai. Best audiologists. Hearing aid services for child age 2. So these would be the thing which any young parent would be searching for their children. When we talk about old age, let's say people who are searching for, it could be old age, so it could be even parents, it could be themselves as well. So hearing aids for 40 plus 40 plus age. Best hearing aid for adults. It could be adults, it could be olds. Now here we are actually talking about Mumbai. So majorly the keywords would be in Mumbai. It would be local keywords more or less. Best, again it could be best audiologists in Mumbai. So such kind of keywords we'll have to find. So we actually went into our customer's mind and thought that what they would be searching. So that would here come in mind mapping. We have identified some keywords. Also, we can identify some raw keywords. Raw keywords could be whatever comes to your mind. It could be best hearing aid clinic near me, which is best company for hearing aid. So such raw keywords also we can write out here. Another method of searching more keywords would be, these are our seed keywords, whatever came in our mind we have written out here. When you will start writing, maybe you come up with 100 more keywords. We have just written 3 out here. There could be a lot more. Next would be that we can also search on Wikipedia. Let's search on Wikipedia as well. So on Wikipedia, I am going and I'm writing about hearing aid in Mumbai. Let's see what are the results we are getting. Or maybe I can also just write about hearing aid. Let's see. So if you see here, when I write hearing aid, what I'm doing is I'm pressing Command F on Mac or Control F on Windows, and I'm putting here hearing aid. So wherever hearing aid appears, it'll show me. Now I can read those sentences, that what all is written, and if I find that, okay, this is a good keyword for me, I'll take it. So if you see modern hearing aids, this is a good keyword. If you see here, benefit of a hearing aid, so these all keywords also we can put it on our list. So I'm writing out in Wikipedia, modern hearing aids. I'm just putting a comma and writing. I can vice versa, I can put more columns and write best benefit of hearing aid. So on Wikipedia, I'll find a lot of keywords with hearing aid, and I can actually use them. Let's see, let's try to just put one more. Hearing aid fitting could be a keyword, of course. Hearing aid usage. So I'm taking this. So I've taken three keywords. Of course, there are a lot more. If you see these yellows, it's like 364 times hearing aid is here. So you can actually find really good keywords from here. So I found out 3 from Wikipedia. I can also go to Quora or Reddit. I'll here use Quora. Reddit is common in USA, and on Quora you'll find a lot of forums and questions that what are people, and these are genuine questions. So here also I'm checking with hearing aid in Mumbai. Let's see if there are some good questions. See, who is the best renowned Resound? Resound is a company, hearing aid dealer in Mumbai. I can take this keyword. Best Resound hearing aid in Mumbai. So I'm taking the keyword. Comma. Let's see more. Which is the best hearing aid center in Mumbai? So best hearing aid center in Mumbai could be my another keyword I'm putting out here. So there are a lot of other keywords as well. Can people who are born deaf speak, whatever. So that would also help us later on. But as of now, when we are doing it in a way, oldest and best hearing aid. Again, it's good. Oldest and best hearing aid in Mumbai. So even I can check with more keywords out here when I write clinic. So I might see more. See, best hearing specialist in Kolkata. So what I can do is best hearing specialist in Kolkata. Instead of Kolkata, I'll put Mumbai. So I have got another keyword in Mumbai. Since we have things in Mumbai, so we are putting in Mumbai. So we've got good keywords from Quora as well. Now let's see one of the keywords which we had thought, hearing aid clinic in Mumbai, and Google it up. When I go to Google, I put it here. So if you see, Google is also giving me suggestions which are the keywords which people might have searched in near time or lately. So if you see hearing aid clinic in Mumbai, hearing aid clinic in Navi Mumbai, hearing aid clinic service center in Mumbai, hearing aid repair center. So these are some more keywords I can use. So let's type 3 of them. Hearing aid center in Navi Mumbai. I can change the location, which location I have, of course. Hearing aid clinic in Navi Mumbai. Let's see more. I can also type in more keywords and see more keywords again. Hearing aid clinics in Mumbai. Siemens hearing aid in Mumbai. And you also see brand keyword. If you see here, we have also Atharva hearing aid. So people actually search for it. So we are taking two more. Best hearing aid near me, and Atharva hearing aid. Atharva hearing aid, best hearing aid near me. So we are done with Google Suggest. Now we'll see related searches. So when I was searching for hearing aid clinic in Mumbai, if I go to bottom, I see more searches which are related to hearing aid clinic in Mumbai. So Atharva, Siemens, hearing aid price, best healing. So I have more searches, so I can actually take these as well. So I'm copy pasting these all and taking into my consideration. Again, I can search one more and I can see more related searches again. So if you see Siemens, now I've got keywords related to Siemens. Siemens is a company which deals into hearing aids. So I've just put it up here. So I have found a lot of keywords through this procedure. Next would be, how will I filter these keywords? Of course, right now we have just found out maybe 20-30 of them. When you start, maybe you find 100 200 of them when you start thinking on these basis. So let's try to find out how many people are actually searching these keywords, and we need to find it out from Mumbai. So I go to keyword planner tool. I go to planning. I go to keyword planner. So he is asking me to select an account. So I've selected an account. So this is how we took all the keywords, and now we are doing a keyword research procedure and finding out how many people actually search for these keywords. Find find this Let's find this keyword research procedure in video 2. So in video 1, what we have done is we have identified a buyer persona, we have done mind mapping, we have found out keywords. So we have done keyword research and discovery, we have found out the niche topics, and in